What is going on? You creative geniuses, you digital artists, you visionaries. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wolver AI, and today we are diving headfirst into the most insane, most powerful, most unique art generator I have ever laid my hands on. This isn't some cookie-cutter AI that steals from other artists. This isn't subscription-based cloud garbage. This is a precision instrument. This machine creates infinite unique artwork using pure mathematics. No AI, no training data, no copyright issues. Just pure, raw, algorithmic creation. If you need this machine, my Telegram is down below. Seriously, scroll down, click the link. My Telegram is down below. All right, look at the screen. First thing you gotta do is fire up the engine. We are booting this monster from a clean Python script. No complicated installations, no terminal vomit. Just double-click, and boom, you are in the cockpit. Look at this interface. Clean, dark, mean. This is the nerve center. This is the command post of artistic creation. You see that big red button that says, Generate New Masterpiece. That is your weapon of choice. If you need that machine, hit me up on Telegram. The link is waiting for you. My Telegram is down below. Watch closely. I'm going to click it right now. One click. Boom, look at the screen. In milliseconds, this machine just created a completely unique piece of art, never seen before, never existed until this exact moment. But here's where it gets insane. Look at the left panel. Art, number 000001. Style, quantum abstract. Chaos level, 73%. Generation time, 0.342 seconds. This isn't random noise. This is mathematical precision wrapped in artistic beauty. Now look at the bottom. You see that chaos meter? The green bar pulsing with energy? This machine doesn't just generate art, it evolves art. Every single click picks a random chaos engine, sometimes pure random chaos, sometimes physics chaos simulating natural laws, sometimes mathematical chaos from fractal equations. Every generation is completely unpredictable. You cannot replicate it, you cannot copy it. It is one of a kind. If you need that machine, hit me up on Telegram. My Telegram is down below. Watch this. I'm going to click the button again. Boom. New artwork. This time it's fractal universe. Look at those infinite spirals. That's the Mandelbrot set rendered in real time with random zoom coordinates. Every click zooms into a completely different part of the fractal universe. Click again. Boom. Organic growth. This simulates cellular life. Seeds spreading, life evolving. You're literally watching creation happen before your eyes. Click again. Boom. Energy fields. This visualizes electromagnetic radiation, magnetic fields, the invisible forces of the universe rendered in full color. Click again. Boom. Chaos theory. The Lorentz attractor. The butterfly effect. A mathematical representation of how a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil can cause a tornado in Texas. And you just generated it with one click. Look at the top of the screen. See that counter? It's at 10 now. 10 unique images. Now look at the history panel. Quantum abstract, fractal universe, organic growth, energy fields, cellular life, wave collapse, particle explosion, Mandelbrot zoom, color symphony, chaos theory. 10 different styles in 10 clicks. But here's the kicker. Each style has over 1,000 variations. Multiply that by the chaos engines. Multiply that by the random seeds. Do the math. We're talking billions of possible images. You could click this button every second for the rest of your life and never see the same image twice. Infinite art. If you need this machine, my Telegram is down below. My Telegram is down below. Now watch this. I found one I like. Look at this spiral galaxy generation. Beautiful, right? Deep blues, swirling arms, stars in the background. I'm going to hit that save button. See that? It asks where to save. I'll put it on my desktop. And boom, it's saved as a high-resolution PNG file. 800 by 600 pixels. Print quality, wallpaper quality, selling quality. This isn't just a screensaver. This is commercial-grade artwork that you created with one click. You can sell these, print them on canvas, use them for album covers. The possibilities are endless. Look up here at the top. Generations 15. Last, 0.28 seconds. Unique, yes. This machine tracks everything. It knows how many pieces you've created, how fast it generated them, and it confirms that every single piece is unique. This isn't a toy. This is a production machine for digital artists, content creators, game developers, and visionaries. This isn't just a tool. It's a cheat code for the creative world. The power to create infinite, unique, copyright-free artwork starts with a single click. I showed you the method, the result, and the interface. If you want to run these streets with the same software I am using, I am not going to make you dig through the code. If you need this machine, my Telegram is down below. I am handing you the keys to the kingdom. My Telegram is down below. This machine will never run out of art. It will never repeat itself. It will never have copyright issues. It is the ultimate creative weapon. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. Smash that subscribe button, because we drop tech like this every single week. Stay creative, stay original, and for the last time, if you want that machine, my Telegram is down below. Wolver AI, out, peace.